See now, dear students, we will solve exercise 5, solve these problems. Okay, first one, a merchant had rupees 4 million in his savings account. He took rupees 8, okay, here there is 8 lakhs from it. How much has he left with? So we need to find out, okay, how much is, see, in 4 million he has taken 8 lakhs. So how much is remaining, we need to find out. Okay, so let us see. See, dear children, first you need to copy down this question. Okay, some you need to copy. I am going to write only the answer, dear children. See, dear children, I have written like this. Okay, so first answer, let us solve. So amount merchant had in his saving account. Okay, so write down amount merchant had in his saving account. Okay, how much he had? He had rupees 4 million. Okay, 4 million. Okay, 4 million. Then next, amount he had withdrawn. Taken means he had withdrawn. Okay, withdrawn means he has taken it. How much? Rupees 8 lakh. Okay, he has taken 8 lakh from that amount. Next, therefore, amount left with them. So we need to find out amount, how much is left with them. Okay, okay. So now see, dear children, this is the solution we are going to solve. We are going to solve the sum. Okay, so now rupees 4 million means we need to write the place value. Okay, let us write the 4 million. How you are going to write? So write down here 4. How many zeros are there in million, dear children? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See now, count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, then 100,000, then 4 million. Okay, so this is 4 million. Okay, now we need to subtract 8 lakh from that. So take 8 lakh. How you are going to write? So write down here 0 here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, isn't it? So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so this you need to subtract it. See now, in 4 million you need to subtract 8 lakh. How much you will get the answer? That will be the solution for this. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, next 0 minus 0, 0, okay, 0 minus 0, 0. Now here you see, dear children, 0, in 0 you cannot subtract 8. So what you should do? Borrow 1 from here. Okay, this will become 10. How much it will become? 10. So 10 minus 8, how much? 2. Then how much is remaining here? 3 is remaining. So write down here. So what will be the answer, dear children? How much you will get? Yes, tell me. How much you will get? Count ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, Then so 2 is in 100,000, isn't it? 100,000, this is million. So now 3 million, okay, 3 million. Next 200,000. Okay, so in 4 million, if you take out 8 lakh, so how much is remaining, dear children? 3,200,000 is remaining. Okay, so 3,200,000 is remaining in his account now. Okay, so write down here, write the answer, 3,200,000. Okay, 3,200,000 is remaining in his saving account. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, understood now, dear children? So 4 million minus 8 lakh. So there you will get the answer, 3,200,000. So therefore amount left with him is 3,200,000 in his saving account. Okay, got it now? Okay, let's solve the second one. Look here, dear children. Second one. Preeta had 25 million rupees. How many crores did she have? So 25 million rupees she had there. We need to find out how many crores are there in 25 million. Okay, let's find out. See, dear students, second one I am writing only the solved answers. Okay, so now second one, Preeta had 25 million, dear children, isn't it? So write down, Preeta had 25 million rupees. Okay, so how many crores she had, we don't know. Okay, crores is equal to don't know. So we need to find out how many crores are there in 25 million. Okay, so now, dear children, see, I am going to write international. So this is international system and this is Indian system. Okay, so now 25 million we are going to write here. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is in international system. Let's write in Indian system now. 25. See, let's see. Ones, tens. So how many zeros are there? 3, 3, 6 zeros, 1 more zero. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 2 crore 50 lakh. Okay, so this will become 2 crore 50 lakh. Okay, so this will become. Now you see, dear children, so in the international system, Indian system, both I have written here. Okay, now what you should do, we need to find out how many crores are there in 25 million. Okay, so this is million. Okay, so this is million and this is Indian system, crores. Now, dear children, 10 million. Okay, 10 million is equal to 1 crore. So you should keep it in your mind. 10 million is equal to 1 crore. Here how many they have asked? 25 million. Okay, so now 10 million is equal to 1 crore. 20 million is equal to how much? 2 crore. Okay, now 20 over. Now 5 is there. that will be change. So that is 50. So only 5 million is there. In the international system, only 5 million is left over. 10 and 20 million. 20 million we have already taken. So only 5 million is left over. Okay. Here in Indian system, see, 2 crores already it is there. Then 50 lakh. Okay. See here. 2 crore, 50 lakh. So now what will be the answer, dear children, in this? How many crores did she have? 2 crore 50 lakh, isn't it? So that one we can write it as, so they in the question they have asked only crores, dear children. So you can write it as 2 crores or else it's 2.5 crores. Okay? So both you can write it because 50 lakh is left over, dear children, isn't it? That's why 2.5 crores also is the right answer. 2 crores, only they have asked the crores, isn't it? So like that also you can write this or this. You can write it in the answer. Understood now? See here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So this will become 50 lakh and this is crore. So 2 crore 50 lakh. So 2.5 crore you can write, or else 2 crores only you can write. 50 lakh you can leave it because we did not consider here in the crore. Okay, 50 lakh we have not considered here in crores, but here we have considered 2.5 crore. Okay, understood now, children? This you can write or else this you can write as the answer.